Okay, this is a how to install the TOCOL privacy screen protector. This is just an example of what it would look like with the privacy glass installed. This is my first time with this brand installing a privacy glass screen protector. The most important thing about screen protectors, in my opinion, is how easy it is to install. So we'll do this from start to finish. It'll be my first time installing this brand. And you can see the different colors through the privacy glass. Oh, so that's what it will look like. Have some protection. It'll be much more different when it's up close. So the first thing you got to do is turn off the screen. And what I'll actually be doing is replacing a different brand. You can see the screen protector does its job because it protects the actual glass from being damaged. So this is a different brand, a regular clear screen protector. This is an iPhone 17. It's the same screen as the iPhone 17 Pro. So the first thing we'll do is remove the old screen protector, right? Okay, see how broken it is. And my original screen is intact. So I find any screen protector you buy have just the same quality. I've made the mistake of buying sapphire glass before, which was very, very expensive, but it got cracked just like any screen protector. So now I'm at the point where I just choose, the most affordable but also easy installation for a screen protector. So I'm just going to wipe it down. The toolkit does come with alcohol wipes, so let's do that. Get this screen nice spick and span. I have heard that it's easier to do the installation after a hot shower because the moisture will keep the dust to a minimum. So we're gonna just try it in my bedroom with all the dust around, but let's see how easily it goes. So you got the alcohol wipes to start. Make sure there's no dust on the edges, which is what happens when you have a screen protector. It tends to stick to the sides. So that's step one. And then they provide this microfiber cloth that I'm going to use to dry the screen. You can see the quality there, scratchless. So I always recommend people to get their own screen protector. It doesn't change the look. If you want the privacy like this one, I'm switching back and forth. For a while I didn't like the privacy glass, but now I'm going to add the privacy glass these next few months. I'm really clumsy, so I change my screen protector probably every 3 months. And so that's the instructions there. Now it's nice and clean. The instructions say put the top on first. Place it down. Make sure also that you don't have a case attached to your phone. Now, I don't know if it's in place properly. Okay, well, yeah, it looks like it's in place. And you want something to protect your camera, so that's why I got this microfiber cloth so I don't scratch my camera lens. I just want to make sure here I'm doing it properly. So I did that alcohol wipe pad, clean cloth. Yep. Aim the top letter of the alignment frame toward camera. In place. Yeah, that's the camera right there, and then the top there. Okay, that's in place. Now it says press all four corners firmly for a perfect screen protector fit. Okay, I'm gonna flip it back, pressing down there, and then it says press center hard, pull tab horizontally, hold 2 seconds for faster bubble release. So let's do that. So let's do this. That was pretty easy. Hold for a few seconds. Okay, and then wait, wait 10 to 15 seconds for protector to adhere. Then unclip all buckles and remove the frame. So I'm giving it some time to adhere. Clip the buckles. Oh, is it pressed on now? Unclip. How do I unclip? Okay. Oh. Okay. I've got buckles on the side. Did I do something incorrectly here? So I gotta remove these tabs, unclip all buckles and remove the frame. Oh. Whoa, is that it? That was easy. I got some air bubbles there, so I'm gonna take this and push it out. And while that's going, I'm going to turn it back on. But you can see it's got a perfect fit. It doesn't even look like anything is installed. So I'm going to take the time to push out the bubbles. I don't know if you can see that in camera. It's kind of hard to do while I'm filming, but there's the bubbles. It's going to be pushed out. So while that's loading, I also want to show you what the screen protector looks like when a slim case is installed. This is my personal slim case. And one of the important things on a slim case is how the screen protector fits on top. So you can see it just clears. It actually matches the height of the screen protector, so it feels like a flat surface. So I'm going to give you an idea of what, wow, the privacy glass looks like at different angles. So straight on when you're using your phone, no issues. But when you look at the angle, it disappears. Disappears. Top and bottom you can still see, but on the sides nearly disappears. So that's what it's like to install the TOCOL privacy glass screen protector. The length of this video without all my mumbo jumbo is under 10 minutes. Probably under 5 minutes if you're not talking like I am. It's a great little protector. This is a 2-pack, so every few months or so I'm going to change my screen protector every time I drop my phone. So I hope that review was helpful for you. If you like these type of reviews, consider following my channel. In my other video, I show you what the regular clear TOCOL screen protector looks like. So consider following my channel. Thank you.